Hey, what's up, y'all? This time I'm making the same thing as yesterday. I like to make this for lunch when I have shrimp, so I'm gonna just make it again today. Except for this time I chopped up some onions, about a half an onion, and put it in there. What I want to mention is, instead of using the flatbread, which I did not like, and I will post a review on that, I'm going to be using spinach and a little bit of raspberry vinaigrette on top of here. I'll be using this spinach. So I'll just make a whole plate of spinach and put all this on there, and probably have some green tea. If not a green tea, I'll probably just have some almond milk unsweetened. And yeah, I just wanted to update what I'm eating for lunch. Like I said, I'll probably update every single day, if not every day, you know, at least a few times a week, what I'm eating and my progress and everything. Alright.